Assalamu alaikum, this is me Rabia, and today we are writing forward counting from 3131 to 4040. First we will read the numbers. 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40. Let's start writing. We will write 3 in the tens box and 1 in the unit box. 31 31, and what comes after 31? 3 2 32. What comes after 32? 3 3 33, and what comes after 33? 3 4 34, and what comes after 34? 3 5 35, and what comes after 35? 3 6 36, and what comes after 36? 3 7 37, and what comes after 37? 3 8 38, and what comes after 38? 3 9 39, and what comes after 39? 40 40. We will write 4 in the tens box and 0 in the unit box. Today we did counting from 3131 to 4040. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.